have written this comprehensive review paper by using AI tools in just 3 days, and you can do this also by following the step-by-step process I am going to reveal in this video. So stay tuned. Hey, I'm Dr. Rizwana and I help researchers and students to succeed in their academic journey. In this video, I'm going to elaborate a step-by-step process to write a review paper with the help of AI tools, so stay tuned. The very first step of writing a review paper is to find an appropriate topic, because as much your topic will be focused, you will stay focused on one issue. AI tools can help you to find trending topics in your field. You just have to feed the tool like Rizwana or Gemini AI with the keywords you are focusing in your review paper. After going to the details of the ideas that Gemini AI provides you, you can authenticate the information with the help of a literature and can come up with a review topic that is trendy, focused and validated. When you have done with the title of your review paper, you can use Gemini AI again to outline the structure of your review paper by providing the detailed title and the focus area of your study, and you can get a comprehensive outline chapter wise of your review paper by using this tool. Even you can use this tool to develop the aims and objectives, research gaps, research problem and research question of any kind of your research document. After this, the crucial points come of your review paper, and that is to conduct a comprehensive literature review. And this is the point where you can take assistance from the top tools. Among them, ResearchPal, Site.ai are my favorite one to conduct any kind of literature review, because Site.ai goes beyond basic keyword research by analyzing citation relationship. This allows researchers to discover relevant papers that might be missed by traditional search methods. By highlighting papers with a high number of contrasting citations, Site can also help to identify areas of debates and controversy within a research field. This is crucial for comprehensive review that acknowledge different prospects. After efficiently assessing the papers, Site.ai helps you to write information in concise and informative summaries with citation, and this helps researchers save time and effort in evaluating the relevance and quality of individual papers. Even you can use this information after rephrasing in your review paper. Site.ai is preferable for finding the literature and citation, because this tool shows us that how a paper is cited by others. Even Site.ai also helps you to uncover impactful research that have been few citation but is highly regarded within the field. You can also use ResearchPal for writing your review paper, because its literature review section helps you to conduct extensive literature search across various databases using a combination of keywords and Boolean operator. You can also do article screening by identifying articles based on relevant quality and inclusive and exclusive criteria. You can even develop the outline, can chat with your own research papers, build your own library, and can edit and proofread with the help of a ResearchPal. You can use a ResearchPal chat feature to chat with the papers you want to explore and extract the information in less time. You can find a link to access all of these tools with discount code from the description below. After writing the body and structure of your review paper, now this is the time that you can edit and proofread your document, and for that purpose you can use Paperpal or Grammarly in free, and even you can use Trinka.ai for free. These three tools are going to help you to overcome the grammatic error of your document and make it more likely to publish. Proper citation and referencing of your review paper is essential to make it unrejectable while you are submitting it to the journals. For that purpose, you can use even Mendeley or Zotero to make your own library. These both tools are integrated with Microsoft Word, and even you can use Scribble citation generator to generate the citation of each of the reference by just providing the link or just by opening it in the browser, and this will create the citation of that paper, blog or YouTube video by staying on the same interface. How you can use Mendeley for citation, you can watch this video. The link you can find in the I button also. To make your document plagiarism plagiarism and AI detection free, you can use any AI tool including Higgs bypass or stealthy.ai to make your document AI and plagiarism free. Because if you are going towards formal choices like Grammarly or Quillboard to remove plagiarism in your document, it may increase the percentage of AI detection in your document. So avoid using these traditional AI tools for paraphrasing and go for those tools which are designed to remove the AI detection, because they are not just going to help you to deal with the AI detection but also with the plagiarism. For more these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video with others. We'll see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself.